कैसे क्वेश्चन कैसे क्वेश्चन मुझे तो कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा और माय फ्रेंड्स वाचिंग दिस मस्ट बी झूठी झूठी पूरा दिन तो फोन पे लगी रहती है आई एम अ पार्टी पूपर नॉट अ पार्टी पॉपर आई एम लुकिंग लाइक वन राइट नाउ तो होता ही तो लग रही हूँ मैं कपड़े पहन के हाय आई एम सान्या मल्होत्रा एंड यू गाइस आर वाचिंग मी ऑन ई टाइम
So Sanya, before we let you go, we are going to play a special segment with you, which is this or that, and you have to answer the questions. So, coffee shot with Karan Johar or chai time with Anushka Sharma?
ये दो shows हैं.
No, basically you have to choose this or that. What would you prefer? To know your
मैं coffee with Karan पे होकर आई हूँ during
No, basically this is a personal chat game which we are playing with you. Where
okay, sorry.
Answer this or
sorry to destroy your quiz. Chai time. I like coffee.
Okay.
Chai time with Anushka. Chai time with Anushka.
Okay. A blue tick on social media is important for you or no blue tick? That doesn't matter to you.
That doesn't matter to me, but also I'm very grateful that I have a blue tick. Okay. मतलब नहीं भी होता तो चलता. पर फिर सबके पास नहीं होना चाहिए था.
Okay. Horror movie date with Kangana Ranaut or long drive with Salman Khan?
कैसे क्वेश्चन कैसे क्वेश्चन
Either.
What question? I'll watch a movie with Kangana.
Okay, a horror movie. I'm talking about a horror. Are you a fan of horror movies?
हाँ मुझे बहुत डर लगता है पर मैं फिर भी देखती हूँ.
Okay.
I induce that pain. खुद ही देख के फिर 2 रातों तक नींद नहीं आती.
Okay, so you have already shared something about yourself to us that you get scared of ghosts. Have you experienced something like this as personal, a haunting experience in any way, Sanya?
No, that's a very long. That's a story time with Sanya. That would be another segment altogether.
We would like to know.
No, very stupid. I get scared easily. Though I live alone. इतना भी नहीं पर मतलब होता है डर लगता है.
अच्छा.
Movies देख के and usually horror movies में ना last में end में जाके सब सही हो जाता है. You know, you get a closure.
Yeah.
That I really like. So
no,
that's the reason I like watching.
Have you experienced any haunting experience?
No.
Ever during shoots and all?
No. I hope not. As I said, just like trolls, I also tend to ignore all of this. अगर सामने हो भी रहा होगा तो मैं ignore कर.
Wow. Okay, that's a very good way to deal with the ghost around.
Yeah.
Okay, I saw a ghost and I'm not looking at you.
I'm not looking at you.
ऐसे
ही होगा. मुझे तो कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा.
नहीं दिखाई दे रहा. Sharing a secret with Varun Dhawan or having a music night with Ranbir Kapoor?
नहीं यार, I'm a very secretive person. Music night with Ranbir Kapoor.
Okay. Keeping your chat apps red tick on or off? Keeping your chats app red tick on or off? Any
off always. फोन भी ऑफ रहता मेरा तो. इशिता बताइए. हमेशा ऑफ रहता मेरा फोन.
Okay. And why do you prefer that way? Because someone keeping the blue tick off on chat is something completely avoiding a lot of things.
Yeah, there is too much मतलब we are always glued to our phones, मतलब it's just, not just me, a lot of people around me also, and that bothers me a lot. And I like to be present. All my friends watching this must be झूठी पूरा दिन तो फोन पे लगी रहती है. नहीं बट नहीं हो पाता मुझसे बात. मुझे कॉल कर लो, चैट नहीं कर पाती हूँ. I'm not a chat person. I can't type. I can call people up and talk to them.
I think after this lockdown, a lot of people would prefer that.
है ना, chatting नहीं ना.
Chatting नहीं.
Calling, Zoom calls, everything is on Zoom.
Call.
These days.
Chances of being thrown out of a chat group or being made an admin?
मेरे तो थ्रोन आउट क्योंकि एज आई सेड माय फोन इज ऑलवेज स्विच्ड ऑफ, तो मैं ज्यादा पार्टिसिपेट करती नहीं हूँ. तो निकाल भी देंगे तो मुझे पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि मैं कब निकले ग्रुप से.
Featuring in a Hollywood movie with Tom Hanks or doing an OTT show with Ali Fazal.
अली फैजल.
Fazal.
टॉम हैंक्स के साथ भी कर सकती हो. पहले अली फैजल के साथ कर लिया फिर उसके बाद टॉम हैंक्स.
Okay. Look up to theatrical releases or enjoy watching OTT movies?
Both.
Theatrical releases or watching OTT movies?
Both.
Okay. Teetotaler or party freak?
Teetotaler.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah. पार्टी तो मैं करती नहीं हूँ. घर पे बुलाती हूँ सो जाती हूँ. घर पे खुद पार्टी थ्रो करती हूँ and I'm like bye guys, I'm leaving.
Wow.
12:30 is my max.
Okay. So you prefer like, you know.
I'm a party pooper, not a party popper.
Yeah.
But a party pooper.
Troll slayer or troll victim?
What's that?
Or, you know, actually like slaying trolls, would you like, you know, give it back to a troll? Or would you just, you know, be a troll victim or just avoid? Or like
Avoid. As I said, I just avoid and ignore.
Fake
Peaceful.
selfies or candid blurred images?
Huh?
Fake selfies or candid blurred images?
What are fake selfies? My selfies are not fake.
Just, you know, taking a selfie but actually not being in that mood to actually click a picture. Or candid blurred images which has memories.
Candid blurred images.
Okay. Introvert or extrovert or, you know, intro extrovert, mixture of both.
Ambivert, right?
Ambivert
Introvert.
together. Introvert.
Yeah.
Diet freak or breaking the diet rules?
I eat mindfully. That I prefer that. So whatever I want to eat, you know,
Nothing as such,
a
right?
balance of everything.
Okay. Pet lover mein, like, do you like dogs or cats?
I love both. I have a cat and I also have a dog.
Oh wow. Okay, that's nice. And in birds, owl or parrot?
Owl.
No.
No?
No, that's your choice. I'm just saying
Yeah.
owl or parrot because, you know, parrots actually.
Owl. No, I think owls are beautiful. Parrots are beautiful too, but I'm looking like one right now. होता ही तो लग रही हूँ मैं कपड़े पहन के.
In food, do you prefer spicy food or bland?
Medium, nice to bland. Can't handle spices.
And in fruits, mango or strawberry?
Both.
Both.
Mango season. Thanks for reminding me. अभी जाके मंगवाने वाली हूँ. भूख लगी मुझे.
Creating madness at a party or walking out of a party silently on time?
Walking out of a party silently. Both actually. I dance a lot and then I leave without telling anyone.
Yeah.
See, I told you I'm a party pooper. I'm a party popper for an hour or so, and then I leave and poop
Okay.
on the party and leave.
Loves to dance or create a blunder while trying to get the perfect shot?
I love to dance.
Hmm.
Dance is my passion.
Okay, and last two questions. Getting a COVID vaccine or falling in love in the times of Corona?
Vaccine, right? Please. That's the need of the hour.
Okay, and red carpet or closed door parties?
No party at all. घर पे बैठो सो जाओ. Spend time with your बिल्ली and कुत्ता.
Bathroom singer or artistic voice?
I'm a bathroom singer.
Beach trip with Sara Ali Khan or trekking with Siddharth Malhotra?
Why can't I go alone? I love to travel alone.
Wow, okay.
I'll go alone.
Travel alone.
I'll go with both of them. क्यों अभी तो टाइम है ना. अभी लॉकडाउन में सब कहीं ना कहीं जा ही रहे हैं. तो दोनों कर लोगे यार. क्या जाता है?
Religious or spiritual?
Spiritual.
Spiritual. Okay. Living in reality or love to be lost in your own thoughts?
I am quite a I love to be lost in my own thoughts, in my own dream world.
Yeah.
Quite a daydreamer.
Okay. And vivid dreams or faded dreams? Like when you sleep.
Vivid.
Vivid. And do you get scared after you
No,
sleep?
no.
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 No. Okay. Last one question to you. Okay. In a relationship or committed to work?
I sadly committed to work. No, I love work, but I never mix personal and professional life, so I love working, but would also love to be loved or fall in love. क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं?
Sania, before we let you go, tell us about your upcoming projects. Like, what are you working on?
I am currently shooting in Bhopal for Love Hostel. It's a film with Vikrant Messi and Bobby Deol, directed by Shankar Raman. Also, I recently shot a film called Meenakshi Sundareshwar. It's Netflix and Dramatics film with Abhimanyu Dasani, directed by Vivek Sood, which will be out this year.
And one message for your fans out there who are right now struggling with the COVID-19 vaccine,
Lockdown rules.
lockdown rules, and also like people are losing their family members and also what?
Yeah, I would just say that please take all precautions. Wear your mask if you are stepping out of the house. If you're inside, I will pray for your mental health and sanity. लगे रहो, मतलब we have to tackle this together. And if you're at home, and get yourself a Netflix subscription and please watch Paglet.
Thank you so much, Sania, for your time and all the best.
Thanks a lot. It was lovely talking to you. Bye.
Same here. Thank you and goodbye.